The Aufranc non-stick frying pan set is a helpful addition to any kitchen. This set includes 3 skillets of different sizes. You get an 8-inch pan, a 9.5-inch pan, and an 11-inch pan. These Aufranc non-stick frying pan set skillets are like trusty sidekicks for cooking. They can handle many different foods, from fluffy scrambled eggs to perfectly seared steaks. The non-stick surface is a real game changer because food slides right off. Cleaning up is also a breeze, and you won't spend ages scrubbing stuck-on bits. These pans are designed with everyone in mind, and their compatibility is excellent. They work on all kinds of stovetops, including induction. This means whether you have a gas stove or a modern induction cooktop, these pans will work for you. The stay cool handles are a thoughtful touch, and they help you move the pans around safely and comfortably. You won't have to worry about burning your hand while you're flipping potatoes or stirring sauces. The Aufranc non-stick frying pan set aims to make cooking easier and more enjoyable for everyone. When you consider what you get, the price of this set feels reasonable. The fact that these pans are PFOA and PFAS free is also important. It shows that the seller cares about your health and safety. While we can't give a specific rank without extensive research and comparing many brands, these pans offer good value. Their different dimensions mean you'll always have the right size pan for your cooking needs. These pans arrive in sturdy boxes, ready to become essential elements in your daily cooking adventures. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick 3 skillet sizes 8-inch size 9.5-inch size 11-inch size, induction ready, all. Cooktops, stay cool handle, PFOA free, PFAS free. Cons: potential for scratches, may not handle high heat well, could have uneven heating, possible warping at high temps, brand has limited history, concerns about material quality, some users report sticking, need gentle cleaning, not fully stick-proof, sides may heat faster. Features: non-stick 3-piece set 8-inch skillet 9.5-inch skillet 11-inch skillet, induction ready. All cooktops, stay cool handle, PFOA free, PFAS free. This Aufranc frying pan set has 3 non-stick pans in different sizes: 8 inches, 9.5 inches, and 11 inches. These pans can be used on all kinds of stoves, even the ones that use magnets to heat up. Induction: the handles are made to stay cool when you're cooking. Also, these pans are made without PFOA and PFAS, which are chemicals that some people worry about in non-stick cookware. This Aufranc frying pan set includes 3 non-stick skillets in 8, 9.5, and 11-inch sizes, making them useful for different cooking tasks. They can be used on all kinds of stovetops, including induction, and have handles that stay cool to the touch. These pans are made without PFOA and PFAS. However, the non-stick surface might scratch easily, and they may not work well with very high heat, possibly leading to uneven heating or warping. The brand is not very well known, and there are some worries about the quality of the materials. Some people have reported that food sticks to the pans, and they need to be cleaned gently. Also, these pans might not be completely stick-proof, and the sides could heat up faster than the bottom.